Hey there, it's Gary Sarah here with another episode of my Vancouver Special renovation project. Today I want to talk to you guys about sidewalks and drain tiles. And here at the house we had to replace all of the sidewalks because they were leading towards the house and there was a problem with water going towards the foundation. Also, the drain tiles, which we had a suspicion that they were clogged or even maybe damaged. So we dug down, and thankfully these drain tiles on this house are actually concrete. There's different types of drain tiles. There's the older style, which are made out of clay. They only have a certain amount of life in them, and then eventually the clay breaks down and they collapse, and that's what causes leaks in basements. And usually people have to replace all the drain tiles, have them dug out by a professional company and replaced with more of a plastic type of modern tile, and that can be really expensive, especially with landscaping and so on. You can easily look at $15,000-$20,000. So in this case, because this is a mid-60s house, the drain tiles are actually concrete. So we were able to dig down and actually take out some of the tiles, and we found that they actually weren't damaged, they were just clogged. And one of the reasons that they were, I'm going to show you here really quick, is if you look here, you'll see that this pipe is actually plastic, but originally the pipe was actually just a concrete short spout, and what was happening is dirt was getting in there and actually clogging, and eventually over time, in many decades, it clogged the pipe and water wasn't passing through. So we replaced all the spouts. Actually, my dad did. My dad's super handy and I'm super grateful for him. He replaced all of the spouts with plastic, plexiglass, poly plastic, and actually made them taller, so now the dirt will not go in, especially once it's capped off. With the sidewalks, as I showed you, we decided to break all the sidewalks and do pavers. They're awesome for redoing sidewalks. They're easy to install, they look great, they're fairly inexpensive, and you don't have to lay down concrete or what have you. What you have to do though is you have to level the ground and really use a pounder to get the soil really nice and tight. Then you use sort of a gravelly type of sand, I'll show you here, which kind of looks like this, and it basically it just creates a nice bed, and then you put down sort of a landscaping fabric just to prevent weeds, and then you have to level out the sidewalk, and it really looks great once you take a look at it. It really does a great job. We've actually created a sidewalk all the way to the back gate because that's where we're going to have garbage cans and what have you. So that's basically what we've done so far. In the back here, you can see we did a wider sidewalk, so it really will be great. We're going to finish off this area. Sorry, I'll get in the light here, better light here. We're going to finish off this area with gravel, like sort of a nice rock gravel, which I'm going to just show you over here. We've got it up here. This rock gravel is really nice for landscaping, and it keeps things nice and neat. It's a nice sort of almost like a bedrock style gravel. I'll just show you that. So yeah, so that's where we're at so far. We're still waiting for permits. Fingers crossed it's going to be soon. We really don't know when that'll happen, but hopefully sometime in June or July is our expected time. But for today, that's our episode of my Vancouver Special Reno project, and I hope you guys get something out of this and have a wonderful day. Take care.